Achieving that perfect, effortless beach wave hairstyle is a timeless look that suits both men and women, adding a touch of relaxed elegance to any outfit. For women, start by applying a sea salt spray to damp hair, then twist sections and allow them to air dry or use a diffuser for a more defined wave. Men can also embrace this style by using a light styling cream or mousse on damp hair, scrunching it to create texture, and letting it dry naturally for a casual yet polished appearance. Pair your waves with the season's trending outfits, such as flowy maxi dresses or linen shirts for women, and tailored shorts or lightweight blazers for men to elevate your look. Emphasize the importance of accessorizing with minimalistic jewelry or a classic watch to enhance the overall style. By balancing these elements, you can create a fashion-forward look that is both stylish and effortless, appealing to both female and male viewers seeking a touch of coastal sophistication.